super, super awesome that you are here. I have something very, very special for you this evening. Yeah, so special you probably don't even expect what we're going to be doing tonight. What's good is that we get going and we get right into it because the people who are here right now need to pay 100% attention. Who's willing to pay 100% attention? Superb, good. So the first question is, and this is a very serious question, who actually wants to have, think about this, have, be, and do anything they desire? Who actually wants that? Who wants that? Yeah, I need to see you. I need to see some of you are not on the screen. Tim, Liliana, Lubo, iPhone Lubo, Denise, let's see you. Yeah, because this is a highly interactive, because there is some magical knowledge. And then with the knowledge, we're actually going to do something with the knowledge on this training. Because the true learning only comes from experience, and experience, you've got to do something, right? You've got to turn information into an experience in some way. A good example is, you're not really going to be able to read how to drive a car from a book. Did anyone do that? Or did people have to actually get in the car and experience what happens when you start doing all those different things? Yeah? Yeah? So Liliana? Yeah?
Yes, Mark, I'm having dinner. I'm so sorry.
Oh, you're having dinner. Awesome.
Yes, I'm so sorry. I've tried to put it there.
That's good. So yeah, if you are fully present for this, oh my goodness, the information, the science behind being able to have, be, and do anything you desire is right here for the taking. Yeah. Who actually wants the belief and the confidence to go out and do what you need to do to have, be, or do anything? Who wants that? The belief and confidence. Yeah. Oh my goodness, it's a big thing, isn't it? It's a big thing. Yeah. And who ultimately, maybe you've been doing a few things throughout your life and tried a few different activities and put your hand to a few different things, but ultimately wanting to have, just happiness in your life. Who's looking to have some happiness, more happiness? Yeah, good, excellent, because I think that's what it is. Yeah, I think near enough every single one of you know me, but if you don't, my name is Mark Harvey, and welcome to something that's very important. Discover your, not mine, discover your true potential. So thank you so much for being here. There's been some crazy times going on. And maybe some of us, we might just be starting to get a little bit like square eyes looking at people on little square boxes, yeah? Anybody started to, get a bit freaky about that stuff? Yeah. Well, look, I'm just grateful that you are here. I'm grateful for this technology that allows us to interact this way. So thank you for being here. So what we're going to be covering is how to get what you want without being a slave to the system, without, this whole, grind, or what do people say, like happy hump day and all of this stuff. It's how to actually get what you want without having to submit to any of that stuff. So you're going to become more aware of your true power, and you're going to start directing that power onto the thing that you desire. So we're actually going to cover this stuff. Also, we're going to be discovering, you're going to discover what is and how to use the greatest power that is known. This is the greatest power that's known. You're going to know what this is, and you're going to know how to use it. Yeah, and also how to define your dream and build a belief and confidence to achieve it. I think most of you, like I said, most of you know who I am. Most of you know about the property stuff. Some of you probably know about the business stuff. But is it okay if I just remind you? If not, and add some things in as well? Because what's important, we're going to be going through some things. And you're going to be like, okay, I get it. You built a portfolio of over 8 million in just over a couple of years. You built businesses from scratch to multi-million-pound global organizations. But also, right now, some of you have been here. I'm sitting in 1,500 acres of land, private, in this wonderful house. And some of the science that we're going to go through is going to give you the same mechanism. I'm going to show you the mechanism of how to literally pour this stuff into your life. Because I don't know about any of you guys, but there was a time I was literally working as many hours as possible. I was going in every direction possible. Oh, give me this, give me that, learn this, do this job, yeah, earn this money here, do that there. And still only just seem like I'm ticking over. Can anybody relate to that in any way? Anybody relate to that? Wow, yeah, all of you. So really what happened is this was, and funny enough, I've been writing my goals down every day since August 2016. And I've said that a few times, and I've kind of like, yeah, August 2016, that's not that long ago. But I just realized it's 2020, you know, time flies when you're having fun, right? So it's 2020. So I actually went back and I looked, and I was definitely writing, living in a place like this, 20-year goal in 2017. In 2017, I was still saying 20-year goal, live in a place like this. Yeah, and what I've realized is through this science and applying it, which is what I'm going to teach you tonight fully, yeah, and being able to go beyond what society or even my belief when I start tells me of how to literally pull and attract these things in your life. What you want, not what I want. It's got to be what you want. Oh my goodness, it's definitely got to be what you want. So who's actually interested in, no matter where they are in their life, but to attract these things that you even think are 20 years away? Yeah, excellent, good. Because do I have something awesome in store for you? So I'm thankful and grateful that we have a bunch of superstars on this call right now, because you guys know that learning requires what? Lots of what?
Energy.
Yes, it does. Yeah. So I'm going to get very passionate this evening because I love this subject, because it literally it connects everything. So any questions about anything? Yes, Seema.
I wanted to know, like, how often are the meetings and what time will they be?
Well, once a week. It's going to be 7 o'clock start, and we pick a day.
Will it be the same day every week, or will it
Same day every week? Yeah, because then it just brings regularity, and they're a week apart. Yeah, so it starts at 7, and then.
And do you know when it starts? When the start dates?
It's going to be a couple of weeks. You know, we're taking our 2-day event that we were going to do, and we're putting that online. So we just got to make some changes and some difference. It's called Real Life Property Wealth Secrets online. So we're doing a different one, and then you know, so we're starting around that time. You know, once we figure that out, we've got everything good, then we're going to do it, because to deliver this and take part in this, for me, I just need to make sure, bam, that I can do it every week on that, because there's no messing about. You know, this work is like, you know, someone was asking me like, oh, do you think the people have changed who went on it? I was like, humanity has changed. The ripple effect of the people that have already just, you know, nearly finished this round.
How long is the course?
6 weeks.
6 weeks.
So you do one a week, every 6 weeks.
And if for any reason we can't make one session, is it recorded or?
It is recorded, but trust me, you're gonna show up to every session. I mean, just speak to these guys. Just speak to these guys. Yeah. I mean, it looks to me as if Samir's partner is now registering, and she's probably kicking herself that she didn't register at the price before. True? Is this true? But it is what it is. You know, it is what it is. So yeah, awesome. Does that answer your question?
Yeah, thank you.
Good. Round of applause. Any other questions? Any other questions? Anybody thinking about it but you're not quite sure? Yeah, good. Okay, good. Making this happen. Good. Yeah, you guys are making it happen. Yeah, awesome. Okay, so just David, just put I'm in, so you get a call. So you make sure you're having a call. That's why I'm gonna call you tomorrow. Yeah. So if anyone have any questions and all of that stuff, you want to discuss how you make it happen, because some of you might be looking on your radar screen. You're still looking on your radar screen on how to make this happen. And it's definitely the way it's going to happen is probably not on your radar screen. Some of you it is, some of you it's not. I get it. Any other questions? Good. Awesome. Well, thank you for being here. Thank you for being so awesome. Thank you for being so willing. And just thank you for wanting to take yourself and your life to the next level. For all of you guys, you're going to be getting calls tomorrow. Get you locked in, make this happen. Get excited, my good friends. Get excited. And then also, you're going to remember, you're going to become part of that enrichment community. So once we've sorted the logistics out on that, then you will be a part of that as well. Because you'll always discover what you need to discover when you need to discover it as well. So I just need to make sure that there's nothing that's part of the community or the resources that are available gives anything away where you start creating a belief system over, because you only need the information when you need it. Is that right, guys? Yeah? Is it better that you didn't know half the stuff? I mean, if I told you what was involved in what's going to happen, blow your face off, and then you think it's too much. But as it happens, you're like, oh, I want more. Yeah, so good work. Thank you. Anyway, guys, the guys are still on it from last time or this current time. It's I have so much fun. I'm growing so much too, so it's just awesome. Everybody's growing, everybody's winning, and that's what I want. I just want everybody to win. I want to create a real education system. Yeah, a real education system, not this whatever you want to call what currently is happening. Yeah, good. Are you all happy? Are you all feeling good? Are you excited? The ones that have like, yeah, I'm committed, I'm in. You're excited? Superb. You better be, because oh my goodness, what is before you is yet to unfold. So thank you so much, and remember to always do the right thing for the right reason. Why must you do that? That's right. It's the only way to discover your true potential. So take care. See you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.